What we got here is a router table, homemade, but it's amazingly accurate, and I'll show you why that is. The first step towards the accuracy is the fact that you can move this, obviously, backwards and forwards, which sets the distance from your router cutter. And the accurate part of this is that you can bring it up to somewhere, wherever you want it to be, fiddle with it, just tighten one up, and then because of the distance from there to here, any little tiny tap here ends up with a minute adjustment there. So you can, this is within, I've tapped it to within tenths of a millimetre, hundredths of a millimetre. So that's this part, exceptionally accurate. Now the other part that's accurate is the up and down bit. That's your cutter coming up and down. And to do that, we've got this gizmo, which is marked 0.5, 1 and 1.5, and the reason it's marked that is because just here where the arrow is 1.75, which is the pitch of this screw here. So that means that when that screw turns, every one revolution is 1.75 millimeters. If you know 1.75 millimeters, all you do is pop that in there, and there you go. You can, like, there's 0.25 of a millimeter there. Between there and there is 0.25 of a millimeter. That's 2.5 tenths. So I could go, you know, like that much, or that much, or that much, or that much, or that much. Like we're getting down really, really fine here. And that's all easy to do. And then you just lock it, pushing that in. Just lock it like that. So you're within a sixth of 1.75 at any time. So there you go. That's me. This thing. It's got a knee cutter here, if you get your fingers caught in it somewhere, and it's solid as a rock. Really good Makita up in there. It's all in good nick. And there you go. That's it.